A dedicated waterproof camera genuinely lets you capture the beach, the pool, and underwater adventures without worrying about your phone or a fragile lens. In 2026, they're tougher and more capable than ever. Whatever your adventure, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to TechBeat. We cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The OM system. Olympus Tough TG7 is the genuine best overall rugged pick, delivering exceptional image quality and legendary durability in the flagship of the beloved Tough series. The standout is the genuine combination of premium image quality and extreme ruggedness, which delivers genuinely sharp, vibrant photos and macro shots, rivaling far larger cameras while surviving drops, crushing, freezing, and deep water that would destroy typical point-and shoots. A real advantage for serious adventure photographers who don't want to compromise on quality. The renowned macro mode captures genuinely stunning close-up detail, ideal for underwater creatures and small subjects, and the fast, bright lens performs genuinely well, even in tricky lighting. The rugged, genuinely reinforced body survives serious abuse, and the intuitive controls make shooting genuinely quick, even underwater, or with gloves. The built-in GPS and various shooting modes add genuine versatility for adventurers. Olympus's legendary reputation for the Tough series backs it. For anyone who wants the genuine best image quality and toughness combined, the Olympus Tough TG7 is the most well-rounded, most flagship rugged pick on this entire list. The OM system, Olympus Tough TG7, delivers exceptional image quality and legendary ruggedness in one flagship camera. And the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. The toughest, sharpest choice. The Kodak Pixpro WG-1000 is the genuine best value pick, delivering capable waterproof shooting at a genuinely accessible price for casual adventurers and families. For anyone who wants a genuine, capable waterproof camera without a premium price, the Kodak Pixpro delivers real reliable performance at a friendly cost, ideal for pool days, beach trips, and casual family adventures. The standout is the genuine, capable waterproof and shockproof protection at a value price, which lets you shoot genuinely worry-free around water and rough handling, all at a genuinely accessible cost that undercuts premium, rugged cameras, a real value advantage. The decent zoom lens captures genuine everyday shots well, and the simple, intuitive controls make it genuinely approachable for casual users and kids. The compact, lightweight design is genuinely easy to carry on adventures, and the decent battery life covers genuine day trips. Kodak's reputation for accessible imaging backs it. For casual adventurers and families who want genuine, capable, waterproof shooting at the best value, the Kodak Pixpro WG-1000 is the most value-forward, most accessible pick on this entire list. The Kodak Pixpro WG-1000 delivers capable waterproof shooting at a genuinely accessible price, and the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Worry-free adventures, honest price. The Pentax WG-1000 is the genuine, durable, everyday pick, delivering rugged reliability and Pentax's renowned outdoor camera heritage in a genuinely dependable adventure companion. The standout is the genuine, rugged, all-weather durability combined with dependable everyday image quality, which survives water, drops, cold, and crushing, while delivering genuinely solid photos for hiking, camping, and water sports. A real advantage for outdoor enthusiasts who want a camera they can trust in any condition. Pentax has a genuine, long heritage in rugged outdoor cameras, and the WG-1000 continues that with capable performance and a genuinely tough, weather-sealed body. The compact, lightweight design is genuinely easy to pack for adventures, and the intuitive controls make shooting genuinely quick and easy. The decent zoom and macro capabilities handle genuine, varied outdoor subjects well, and the solid battery life covers genuine, full days outdoors. Pentax's reputation for rugged, outdoor-ready cameras backs it. For outdoor enthusiasts who want a genuine, durable, dependable, everyday adventure camera, the Pentax WG-1000 is the most durable, most outdoor dependable pick on this entire list. The Pentax WG-1000 delivers rugged, dependable performance for genuine, everyday outdoor adventures. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Dependable in any condition. The SeaLife Micro 3.0 is the genuine dive specialist pick, a purpose-built underwater camera engineered specifically for genuine serious diving and snorkeling at real depth without a housing needed. The standout is the genuine built-in dive-rated waterproofing, which lets you shoot genuinely deep underwater, far beyond typical waterproof point-and shoots, with zero external housing required. A real advantage for serious divers and snorkelers who want a camera designed genuinely from the ground up for underwater use. The permanently sealed, genuinely fully waterproof design means no seals to fail or O-rings to maintain, a real peace of mind advantage over housed cameras. The wide-angle lens captures genuinely expansive underwater scenes, and the intuitive controls are designed genuinely for use with dive gloves. SeaLife specializes exclusively in underwater imaging, and the Micro 3.0 reflects genuine, deep expertise in dive photography. For serious divers and snorkelers who want a genuine, purpose-built, no housing needed underwater camera, the SeaLife Micro 3.0 is the most dive-specialized, most underwater-focused pick on this entire list. The SeaLife Micro 3.0 is purpose-built for genuine, serious diving with no external housing needed. And the price in the description reflects that specialized capability. Check the link below and grab it today. Built for the deep, genuinely. Closing out the list with the DJI Osmo Action 4. The genuine, stabilized action footage pick, delivering waterproof durability, combined with genuinely exceptional built-in stabilization for smooth video during active adventures. Where the other cameras on this list focus on stills, the Osmo Action 4 is a genuine action camera specialist, a real advantage for anyone who prioritizes smooth, professional-looking video over still photography. The standout is the genuine best-in-class built-in stabilization, which captures genuinely remarkably smooth footage even during diving, surfing, biking, or any high-motion activity, far beyond what typical waterproof point-and-shoots achieve for video, a real advantage for content creators and adventure vloggers. The sharp 4K capture delivers genuinely detailed, vibrant footage, and the rugged, waterproof design survives genuine drops, dust, and depth. The wide field of view captures genuine, immersive action scenes, and DJI's reputation for the best action cameras backs it. For adventure videographers who want genuine, smooth, professional action footage, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is the most video-focused, most stabilization excellent pick on this entire list. The DJI Osmo Action 4 delivers exceptional built-in stabilization for genuinely smooth, waterproof action footage, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Smooth footage, any adventure. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right waterproof camera, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because camera deals move fast. If this helped you find the right waterproof camera, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.